Over the past year, the stock's performance has slumped by 7.8%, trading between 46 cents and $1.78. With an RSI of 64, it indicates a neutral stance. Currently priced at 70 cents, the planned entry is 62.54 cents, which offers a distance of 34.8% to profit target 1 at 93.82 cents and 79.7% to profit target 2 at $1.25.09. Looking ahead, the 1-month expected range is 45 cents to 95 cents, while the annual outlook suggests a range of $0 to $1.56, a constructive view if it holds above the entry, setting up for potential growth. Dark Iris Inc. is a developer and publisher of mobile games in the communication services sector, particularly in electronic gaming and multimedia. The stock dipped 1.16% today amidst heavy trading that saw 43 times its average volume, indicating a possible turnaround. In the past year, shares have surged 1,048%, suggesting remarkable growth potential, with an RSI of 33, reflecting an oversold condition. Trading now at $5.12, the stock is below its planned entry of $6.40, indicating a distance of 87.5% to profit target 1 at $9.60 and 150% to profit target 2 at $12.80. The expected 1-month range is projected between $0.00 and $38.30. The long-term view remains cautiously optimistic if it can regain entry. Master Beef Group operates restaurants in the consumer cyclical sector, specifically under the hot pot and barbecue industry. Despite a day change of negative 4.43%, today's significant volume surge at 29 times the average indicates strong interest. Over the past year, performance has dipped by 9.4%, and the stock has fluctuated between $3.55 and $15.24. With an RSI of 50, it sits in a neutral zone. Currently priced at $6.25, this is below the planned entry of $6.64 and 62/100ths, with 59.5% distance to profit target 1 at $9.96 and 112.7% to profit target 2 at $13.29.24. The expected range for the next month is $4.38 to $8.12, providing a constructive view if it can reclaim its entry level. Ucommune Ltd. specializes in corporate services and AI solutions within the financial services sector. The stock increased by 7.96% today, driven by unusual heavy trading, 26 times its average volume, suggesting renewed investor interest. Over the last year, the stock has faced a decline of 23.3% and traded in the range of $1.79 to $92. With an RSI of 64, it stands near overbought territory. Currently at $2.17, it remains below the planned entry of $3.54.01, setting a distance of 144.7% to profit target 1 at $5.31.02 and 226.3% to profit target 2 at $7.08.02. The expected price range over the next month is $1.63 to $2.71. The outlook remains cautiously optimistic if it finds footing above the entry. Burks Group Inc. operates in the luxury goods industry, focusing on fine jewelry and gifts. The stock rose 5.08% today, backed by extraordinary volume at 367 times its average, reflecting heavy investor interest. Year-to-date, it's witnessed a decline of 42.6%, with a 52-week range of $0.59 to $1.32. The RSI sits at 37, indicating an oversold condition. Priced at 0.62 cents, it's below the planned entry of $1.1913, implying a potential 164% to profit target 1 at $1.6369 and 252% to profit target 2 at $2.1826. With an expected price range of 0.50 to 0.740 over the next month, a long-term scenario looks constructive if it can break above the entry. ZW Data Action Technologies Inc. provides advertising and marketing services in the communication services sector. The stock soared by 44% today, driven by a surge in trading volume at 203 times the average, indicating strong market interest. Performance over the last year has declined by 30.8%, with a trading range of 65 cents to $2.55. An RSI of 77 suggests overbought conditions. Currently at $1.08, it trades below the planned entry of $1.11, creating a distance of 54.2% to profit target 1 at $1.66 and 105.6% to profit target 2 at $2.22. The expected range for the month is 66 cents to $1.50. A cautious view should be maintained unless it can establish support above the entry point. Oriental Culture Holding Ltd. operates an online platform for artwork trading in the consumer cyclical sector. The stock rose 7.85% today, responding to significant interest at 11 times average volume, which positions it favorably today. Over the past year, however, the stock has declined sharply by 99.9%, with a 52-week range from $1.65 up to $6,589.92. The RSI at 57 shows a neutral status. Priced at $2.06, it is above the planned entry of $1.99, reflecting a 44.9% distance to profit target 1 at $2.98 and 93.2% to profit target 2 at $3.98. The expected monthly price range is $0 to $4.96. Moving forward, a constructive view is possible if it maintains above the entry level. Raytech Holdings Company Limited specializes in environmental technology within the industrial sector. The stock rose by 2.34% today, amid significant trading activity at 13 times its average, indicating possible upward momentum. In the past year, the stock has increased by 13.9%, oscillating between $1.03 and $1.58. With an RSI of 58, it indicates a neutral sentiment. Currently at $1.31, it's below the planned entry of $1.44, showing a 64.9% distance to profit target 1 at $2.16 and 119.8% to profit target 2 at $2.88. The expected range for the month is $1.07 to $1.55. A cautious stance is advised unless it can secure the entry. Focus Universal Inc. develops universal smart technologies in the technology sector with a market cap of $2.33 million. Today, FCUV saw heavy volume at 29 times its average, indicating unusual investor interest, and flagged by the early scanner as a potential runner. Its performance over the past year shows a severe decline of 97.7%. Currently priced at $83, it remains below its planned entry at $1.095. From here, profit target 1 sits at $1.6425, about 97.9% higher, while profit target 2 is at $2.19, which is 163.9% away. The 52-week range is between $0.72 and $48.8. If it holds the supported entry, it could build momentum towards these targets. Ucommune Limited operates in the consumer electronics sector, focusing on mobile devices and accessories, with a market cap of $1.97 million. Today's movement was driven by significant volume, reaching 12 times its average, coupled with recent order news, making it a flagged potential runner by the early scanner. Over the last year, WTO has struggled, with an 83.3% decline. It's currently trading at $1, well below the planned entry of $1.45. Profit target 1 is at $2.175, showing a potential increase of 117.5%, and profit target 2 is $2.90, 190% away. The 52-week range is 79 cents to $6.70. The price action would need to hold above entry to establish a positive base for future gains. EZGO Inc. specializes in office equipment sales and maintenance within the industrial sector with a market cap of $2.71 million. Today, the stock experienced 18x its average volume, signaling unusual market interest and flagged by the early scanner. The past year has been harsh, posting a decline of 71.1%. Trading at $1.34, EZGO is below the planned entry of $2.03. Profit target 1, positioned at $3.45, represents a potential upside of 127.2%, while profit target 2 at $4.06 shows an even larger upside of 203%. The 52-week price range has been between $1.34 and $14.82. Maintaining support at the entry level could be constructive moving forward. Huachen International Group develops and sells stainless steel products in the basic materials sector, with a market cap of $13.56 million. Today's rise was fueled by heavy volume at 19 times its average, along with pricing movements, making it a potential runner as per the early scanner. Over the last year, shares have fallen by 26.5%. The current share price is $0.95, below the planned entry of $1.14. Profit target 1 is set at $1.71, suggesting a potential move of 80.4%, with profit target 2 at $2.28, reflecting a 140.5% upside. The 52-week range fluctuates from $0.84 to $1.80. A hold above entry could set a stronger base toward targeted gains. Fitness Champs Holdings Ltd. operates in the education and training services sector, focusing on sports education, with a market cap of $1.82 million. The stock jumped today with 12 times average volume, identified as a potential runner by the early scanner. Its performance has been severely affected, down 99.1% over the year. Currently priced at $1.38, it's below the planned entry of $1.59. The profit targets are $2.385 at 72.8% upside and $3.18 at 130.4% upside. The 52-week range is between $1.07 and $3,240. If the price can hold near entry, it could set a base for recovery. Fenbo Holdings Ltd. manufactures consumer appliances and is part of the technology sector, boasting a market cap of $11.28 million. Today, an extraordinary spike in volume, 5,014 times the average, draws attention, with the early scanner designating it as a potential runner. The past year's performance shows a gain of 30.8%. Trading at $1.02, it's under the planned entry of $1.1301. Profit target 1 is located at $1.6952, a potential increase of 66.2%, while profit target 2 stands at $2.2602, indicative of a 121.6% rise. This stock's broad volatility range from 65 cents to $1.40 could provide ample opportunities if it stabilizes. Rio Messenger Corporation operates a technology platform within the real estate sector, boasting a market cap of $11.46 million. Today, a 121x increase in volume indicates heightened interest, marking it as a potential runner on the early scanner. However, it has seen a 67.5% decline over the past year. Currently priced at $0.68, it remains well below the planned entry of $1.31. Profit target 1 is $1.965, presenting a potential value increase of 188.1%, while profit target 2 at $2.62 reflects even more substantial potential at 284.2%. The stock's 52-week range is $0.35 to $5.21, and resilience at entry could indicate a gradual recovery. Galaxy Payroll Group Ltd. offers payroll and consultancy services in the industrial sector with a market cap of $5.82 million. The stock has seen a remarkable volume increase today, at 178 times the average, leading to its identification as a potential runner. Its performance over the past year has seen a downturn of 70.7%. Currently, it trades at 98 cents, below the planned entry of $1.6506. Profit target 1 stands at $2.4759, corresponding to a potential rise of 153.7%. And profit target 2 is set at $3.3012, which offers a potential increase of 238.2%. The 52-week trading range has been from 80 cents to $7.40, and maintaining price action near entry could foster a stronger upward trajectory. Bimergen Energy Corporation focuses on renewable energy project development, particularly battery energy storage systems and solar projects in the United States.